Hello and welcome you all to this video. In this lecture, we are going to discuss few questions related to mean, median, and mode. That is basic central tendency. Okay, measure of central tendency. Myself, Dr. Nimai Sarkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, VIT AP. So one by one, we are going to solve this question. Try to grab the concept and try to solve this question by yourself. Then you can verify with the solution. Okay. First, you take the question, try it by yourself using the basic formula, then you can validate with our solution. So, let's get started with our first question. Here we have this problem. The question it says that find mean, median, and mode of age of the people in years for the following data. So, a data set it is given to you, and they are asking you to find mean, median, and mode. Okay, so from this data, it is clearly visible that this is a continuous and group data. Say 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. So you can say this is a continuous and group data. Okay, so in the case of continuous as well as group data, what is our formula for mean, median, and mode? Already we discussed in our earlier lectures, and here we are going to use that formula and we'll get these answers. Okay, so here you can see 3, 5, 20, 10, 5. These are given in terms of frequency, and this is your range given to you. Okay, so in that case, first what we do, we create the table. So here comes the solution. If you are confident with those formulas, then you can try it by yourself, then come back and validate with your solution. Okay, so let's get started with the solution. First, what you need to prepare is this table that is given by, suppose here you are writing age, here you have all those frequencies, fi frequency, or you can write frequency f. Here you have this xi values. Okay, so these are the first three columns you need to prepare. So age is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Here comes 60 to 70. Okay, and here the corresponding frequencies you just write 3, 5, 20, 10, 5. Okay, now you need to find this xi. Basically here you have fi values. These are fi. Okay, here you have xi is nothing but the mid value. Okay, 20 plus 30 divided by 2, so 50 divided by 2, 25 you have here. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. Likewise, you just write down this xi values, that is the midpoint. So it is going to be 45, next it is 55, and next it is 65. You can just check it. Okay, once you have this, next what is the next column in our construction? If you just go through that formula, you will find that next thing is cumulative frequency you need to find. So next one is cf, cumulative frequency you need to find. So how we find the cumulative frequency? See here we have 3, so put it here 3, and preceding number you just need to add. That means 5 plus 3, it is going to be 8 here. Okay, okay, fine. Now 8 plus 20, so 28, 28 plus 10, so it is going to be 38, 38 plus 5, so it is going to be 43. So this is how we construct the table. All right, now once you have this table, next immediately this thing you can do, you find this capital N value. In the formula you will see capital N value, which is nothing but summation of all the frequencies. So it is going to be, this is nothing but summation of all the fi, and if you just add 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 20, 28 plus 10, and then 5. Okay, if you add, ultimately you will get this 43. Okay, so here comes this 43. All right, this is capital N value. Now our first question is to find mean. So what is mean? Mean, what is the formula? Just go back to the list of formulas and you will see the formula goes like this: x bar, it is equals to summation. What is summation? Summation fi xi divided by capital N. Okay, so if you just put here fi into xi, see xi into fi, if you just multiply 3 with 25 plus 5 plus 5 into 35, 20 into 45, that means what I am trying to say, this plus 5 into 35. Okay, likewise if you just go on up to what is the last step, 5 into 65 divided by this sum is 43. So in that case you will get 2025 divided by 43. So what is the answer? 47.09. Okay, this is mean value. Okay, so find the mean. This is your answer. You can check your answer whether you got this or not. Okay, that is mean. Next one is median. Median. What is median? What is the formula for median? You have L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. Okay, so this is your formula. Now here for this purpose you need to find what is your median class. What is your median class? This thing you need to find. See, for that purpose here you can see n by 2. What is n by 2? N by 2 means 43 by 2 means what is the value? What is the value? What is the value? 21.5. Okay, now see 21.5 where it is crossed. Just see where it is crossed. From this transaction it is crossed. See 8 to 28. So in that case what will be your model class? What will be your model class? So where exactly it is crossed? See here, this one, this is the model class you have. This is the model class. Okay, this is the model class. Here exactly 21.5 it is crossed. Okay, so this is your model class. Now see here in this model class, this is the corresponding frequency. This is the corresponding frequency 20. Okay, and what is your m value? What is your m value? M value, it is nothing but the cumulative frequency in the previous model class. Okay, that means you have this one as the model class and just the previous class you consider, and the corresponding cumulative frequency, it is going to be this m value. So m value in this case, m value in this case, it is going to be what, 8. Okay, and f value, it is going to be 20. What is c value here? C value means step length. Okay, the length of each interval. So in that case c value, it is going to be 10. You can see the difference. Plug all the thing in this formula, and here you can see this L. L means the lower bound of this model class. So what is L value? L value, it is 40. Okay, plug all this thing in this formula and calculate it. So it is going to be 40 plus, here comes 21.5 minus what is m value? What is m value? M value is 8 divided by that corresponding frequency 20 multiplied with that interval length, that is going to be 10. So ultimately if you calculate, you will be getting what is the value? 46.75. This is going to be median value. Okay, this is median value. Just check your answer. Now next one, it is mode. Mode. So in that case, what is the formula for mode? What is the formula for mode? You have this formula in your hand, that L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C value. Okay, now what is F0, F1, F2 already you know. So what is F1, what is F0, and what is F2? What is F1 value? What is F1? F1 value, F1 value means this one, the value in the model class. This is F1. If this is F1, in that case F0 value, it is going to be this 5. It is going to be F0 value. Okay, and 10, it is going to be your F2 value. Okay, rest of the thing already you had in your hand. Now you just plug all these things in this formula and just see what you are getting. Here we have little space, so we'll do according to that. You can try it. 40 plus f1. What is f1? 20 minus what is f0? 5 divided by 2 times f1 20 minus f0 means 5 minus f2 means 10. 10 into c value. What is the length? Length it is going to be 10. So calculate all this thing and finally your answer will be 46. Okay. So finally you have the answer that your mean value it is 47.09. This is your mean value. Median it is 46.75 and mode it is 46. Okay. So this is your complete solution for this first question. Okay. So likewise you have many problem from this type of question, basically from continuous group data. You will have this type of question and this is the process you can solve. Okay. So here again we can revise. First you need to find the corresponding xi values and cumulative frequency. Based on that apply the formula, you will get the answer. Okay. So now we are moving on to our next question. See, here again we have the same type of question. We're not going to solve this question explicitly. I'll just give you the outline. Just see here. Here you have again 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Here you have the corresponding frequencies. Means again it is a continuous and group data. So the formulas are same, just like here you just follow the process exactly same, exactly same. Here you have the four type of questions. See the estimate, median. So directly you need to calculate median, estimate, mean. So both you need to find. Okay, is the median in the model class? So what you need to do, find out model class. Okay, so in that case n by 2 you find and check where exactly it is crossed, where exactly it is crossed, that is going to be your model class. After that once you have the median, check whether that value lies on this model class or not. This is going to be your work. Okay, so and after that, is the median greater or less than the mean? Just it is based on your calculation. Okay, it is based on your calculation. Now see, you can try this question and let me know in the comment section. If you find any difficulty, subsequently we'll provide solution. Okay, by that time you can try this question. Now next question, see the next question. Here the given random data set, this is the given random data set. Now solve the following questions. Find mean, median, mode of the given data set. Also interpret your observation by comparing the above result. So here you have, it is basically what, individual question, individual data set. Okay, ungrouped data set, individual ungrouped data set. So in that case the formulas are quite straightforward and we can easily calculate this measure of central tendencies. Okay, so after that the next question it is, see, transform the given data set into a group data set by considering the first class interval to be 10 to 20, then find median for the group data. Okay, so this entire question you need to convert into a what is written here, see, group data set. Okay, considering the first interval as 10 to 20, then find median for this group data. Compare the median for the discrete data, like here whatever individual ungrouped data we have, we need to compare with that observation. Okay, and suggest which one is more accurate. Okay, so it is going to be the second part, it is going to be lengthy. Okay, but according to that you will get the marks in the exam also. Like if the first question it consists of 3 marks, then obviously the second question will be for at least 7-mark question. Okay, so here we can solve this question. See, first part will be considering. Okay, first part, see, find mean, median and mode of the given data set. So you have this one 46, 11. You just write it down, all the data you just write it down one by one. Okay, so after sorting this data you can have, see, if you write it increasing way, then you'll have 11, then 12. You can do it by yourself, later on you can verify. 14, 15, 16, 18. You have 2 times 18. Just check. 18, 21, 22. Next you have 23. I guess 23 it is twice. Just check it. No, 23 it is once. 25. Next you have 29, 32, 33, 34, 35. Next, just sort it. 41, 42, 43, 44. Check. I guess 44 it is twice. 44, 45, 46, 47, 51, 52, and here goes 52. After that 53, 55, and 57. So how to find mean? This sorting, why we have done? To find, to find, to find which quantity? Tell. To find median. To find median. Now mean we need to find first. How to find mean? Mean, sum of all the data divided by number of sample. Just check it, how many sample you have. Total number of, let me write it, sum of all the data divided by number of sample. Okay, so sum of all the data, that is, if you just add all of these numbers, you will be getting 10, 30 divided by 30. So if you calculate 34.33, you are going to get, this is your mean. All right, nothing to do with this grouping arrangement. Okay, it is required just because of median. Now next step, it is to find median. How to find median? Here if you just consider the total sample, here n value it is 30, n value it is 30, which is even. So which is even. So in that case, how to find this median? So in that case, we have the formula median. It is going to be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Okay, so what you have, see, n by 2 means 30 by 2 means 15th term. What is your 15th term? From here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14. Here comes 15th term. Okay, 15th term. 15th term is this 34. So put here 34 plus n by 2 means 15 plus 1, 16th term. So you have 35. So 34 plus 35 divided by 2. So what you have? What you have? Tell. If you just calculate it, you will be getting 34.50 as the answer. This is your median. All right. Now, how we calculate mode? How we calculate mode? Mode is the number which is which is occurring maximum time. Okay, so in that case, you just see this arrangement. You can see that 44 it is appearing twice. Next you have 18 appearing twice. Next, if you just consider 52, it is appearing twice. Rest of the terms are appearing exactly once. Okay, so in that case, what will be your mode? What will be your mode? Mode will be 18, next 44, next 52. These three numbers are going to be your mode. That means there at that particular point, the frequency it is maximum. Okay, that means their occurrence it is maximum. Okay, so this is the answer for your first part. You can solve this question and verify your answer with this. Okay, if you have any doubt or question, you can drop in the comment section. Now we are moving on to our next question, that is second part, this one. So I'm erasing this part. By that time you can take screenshot and solve by yourself. Actually, this type of questions are very important from exam point of view for semester, and these are not very, you can say, actually formula based question, but little bit of tricky question, because in the second question, see, actually you need to do very straightforward thing, but you need to understand the question first, then only you can do each and every step properly. So I would suggest that you practice this type of problem, and in the recommended textbooks you will find this type of questions. Just practice, because in stats only thing is formula, and you will remember the formula once you are practicing thoroughly. So now we can proceed with our second question. Here you can see, transform the given data into a group data set by considering the first class interval to be 10 to 20, then find the median for the group data, compare the median for the discrete data with the group data, and suggest which one is more accurate. So in that case, first you arrange it just like our previous treatment, arrange in ascending order. Okay, once you are arranging it, that means once you are sorting it, after that you need to create these classes. Okay, so in that case, see, here you have class interval. Here you have this class interval. After that, next you have frequency, which is going to be fi. After that you have xi, that means the mid value of each of this class interval. After that, what you have, cumulative frequency cumulative frequency. Okay, all right. Now see, we'll construct it one by one. See, here you have first one, it is given 10 to 20. Okay, next what you can construct, 20 to, see, already we have this notion that we are using continuous and group data. So 20 to 30 continuous, next 30 to 40. Okay, next what we have, 40 to 50. Okay, that's it. You can see, or you have more than 50 also, so 50 to 60 can go for it. So now once you have that sorted data, from there you will find this frequency, the number. Okay, 10 to 20, if you just consider that sorted list of numbers, you will get that how many numbers, total 7 numbers are lying in this 10 to 20 range. Okay, you will see 5 numbers are lying in this 20 to 30 range. Okay, likewise 4 numbers are lying in this 30 to 40 range. 30 to 40 range. Okay, for example, 30 to 40 range, if you just consider 30 to 40, here you have 33, here you have 32. Okay, likewise if you just consider here 34 and 35. Okay, it will be more vivid if you just consider the sorted data. So in that case, 33, 32, 34 and 35, these are the 4 data lying in this interval. 40 to 50, see how many data you have, total 80 numbers are there which are lying 40 to 50. And if you consider 50 to 60, you will see 6 numbers are there, like here 55, then you can see 52, 53, then if you just consider 51, and then 52 again. Okay, and see, here you have this many numbers are lying, and 57. Okay, total 6 numbers are lying in this 50 to 60 range. So here you have 6. So once you have this frequency part, next you consider this xi is nothing but 10 plus 20 divided by 2. Likewise you consider this mid values, so mid values are going to be 15, next 25, 35, next you have 45 and 55. Okay, once you have this, next you can calculate this cumulative frequency part. That means 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 8 16 plus 8 24. Okay, 24 plus 6 30. Okay, so once you have this, next you can calculate FIXI, because ultimately to find a mean, this is required actually, FIXI. Okay, so FIXI, if you just consider this is your FI value, XI value, so calculate this. 7 into 15 105, 105, then 5 into 25 125, then 140, then 360, then 330, 330, 55 into 6 if you do 330. Now calculate this n value, you calculate capital N value, summation of all the fi values, just calculate, you will find 30 as the capital N value and fi xi value, this summation, but you will get 1060. Okay, 1060. Now use the formula, that means basically median it is required, median. So if you just find mean, so mean value it is FIXI, summation FIXI divided by summation FI, means capital N value. So 1060 divided by 30, so the answer is going to be 35.33. This is your answer, mean, median value. Okay, median. So in that case, median means here you have n value as 30, it is even number. So in that case, what is the median value? So in that case you need to find the median class from this data set. So if you consider n by 2, what is n by 2 value? N by 2 means here in this case 15, and just check where this 15, this number it is crossed, where it is crossed, where it is crossed, just check here exactly. 15, 15, just see this cumulative frequency part. Here you have 12, here you have 16, that means in this you have this one as the model class. Okay, this one as the model class. All right, now we are going to find the median value. So how we find the median value? For that you can go through the first question where you will see we have given the formula as well. So by using that formula you can easily calculate median. So what is the formula? L plus L plus L plus. Actually in this question just check it once. Find the median for the group data. Yes. So L plus, you just consider n by 2, n by 2 minus m by f into c value. Okay, that is the formula you have. So in that case, if you just plug all the values, if you plug all the values, you will be getting here median. Just calculate it, just calculate this one. This is your homework. Okay, just substitute all the values. And what is this m? What is this m? What is this m? Okay, now if you consider this f values, f value means this frequency class f, this is 4. Okay, this 4 will be this f value, c will be 10. Okay, and m, what is this m value? What is this m value? Tell. M value, it is the value of that cumulative frequency in the preceding class. Okay, this is m value, that's 12. Okay, and c value already you have 10. Plug all this thing and you can find this median. And what about this mode mode you can calculate, that is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into c. Okay, plug all these values, plug all these values one by one. So f1 means f1 means this one, f1 means f0 means this one, and this is your f2. So plug all these things here and ultimately you will be getting ultimately you will be getting 46.6 as your mode. Okay, and median for this median it is more or less 37.5 like this. Okay, so you can calculate this and verify your answer. So should complete this question, and once you have this data, so side by side you can write one side it is from the ungrouped, that is individual discrete case, whatever the values you have, and another side you can write all the values which is obtained from this, and after that you can verify, and you can get which one is more accurate. Okay, so this is from that question. Now the similar type of question here you have the frequency distribution. Here again this continuous group data, find mean median mode. Arithmetic mean means that usual mean median mode. Okay, Ramesh stock 5,000 worth of an item in the beginning of every month. Unit rate of the item for 5 successive months have been this. Find the average rate per unit of item, he has stocked for 5 months. So this is your next question. So in that case, again you need to construct that class, frequency, mid value, and after that just go on calculating this, you'll get the answer. You should try this question by yourself. Okay, now see why I'm leaving this question, it is exactly like our previous one, that's why. So you should try this question. Now if mean of the given frequency distribution is 35, this is important type of question. Say if mean of the given frequency distribution is 35, then find the missing frequency k, also calculate the median of the distribution. Okay, now here how to do this? So in that case, class, see the solution, I'm just giving you the outline. Class, then frequency, and then mid value, that is xi. Here you have fi, here you have fi xi. Okay, all these things one by one. Now see 10 to 20 you have 20 30, then you have 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Corresponding frequency 247 k 1. Now mid value, you should calculate this mid values 10 plus 20 15, likewise 25 35, next 45 and 55. Fi xi if you calculate, you will be getting 30, 4 into 25 100. Here you have 245, here you have 45 into k 45k, then you have 55. If you just add them, here the n value, that is summation fi value, summation fi, it is going to be, if you just calculate 14 plus k, and here if you just calculate this one fi xi, so it is going to be 430 plus 45k. Now the thing is that you need to find mean. Mean means summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So it is 430 plus 45k divided by 14 plus k. Okay, 14 plus k. Now as per the question, this value 430 plus 45k divided by 14 plus k, it is going to be equal with 35. Okay, now from here if you just calculate this, you will get the answer, and it is going to be, just check it, 430 plus 45k, here What is 14 into 35? What is 14 into 35? Just calculate this. Here you have 35k plus 14 into 35. So what is the value for 14 into 35? What is the value? Just calculate it. 14 into 35. So 490. 490. So here comes 10k plus here it is I think 60. So k value they are asking you, k value it is 6. Okay, so this type of questions are also important. Like once you have this k value, back substitute here, and after that they can ask you many other questions. For example, here you have median. So now use the formula and find median. For median, first you need to find model class. After that, go for that median calculation. Okay, so this is also important type of problem. Now next we have this question where they are asking if the median marks of 60 students from the distribution it is given 28.50, then find mode. Okay, so these are the table given to you. This table, for example, marks it is given, then xi means the mid values are given, number of students means frequency it is given, cumulative frequency, everything it is provided to you. Along with that, median they have given. So in that case, basic idea is that xy value you need to find. Okay, once you have this x1 value, then this complete table it is explicitly in front of you, and from that data you can find this mode by using straightforward formula. All right, so in that case total number of students is given 60. So here you can see the cumulative frequency means total. Here you have this, as per the given data, 45 plus x plus y, it is going to be 60. So from here you will be getting x plus y is equals to 15. This is your first equation. Okay, this is your first equation. Now next one, next equation you will be getting from here. Okay, so median formula is given by this. Now here what will be median class? See 28.50, where exactly it is crossed? I guess it is crossed here. See this part, 25 plus x, here it will be crossed. Okay, 28.50, here it will be crossed. So in that case 20 to 30, this is your model class. All right, so in this model class, see the frequency, it is going to be 20. So this f value it is going to be 20. F value it is going to be 20. N by 2 already you have, n by 2 it is 30. Okay, m value it is, what is m value? What is m value? Just check m value. M value it should be, see the previous class. Okay, this is your model class, and the previous class you have the cumulative frequency 5 plus x. So 5 plus x if you put here, and here you have c value. C value, if you just see the c value, c value, what is the c value? C value it is 10. Okay, substitute all these things here in this formula. L value already you have, what is the lower bound? It is 20. So substitute all these things here in this formula. So it will give you 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x. Here f value it is 20, and c value it is 10. So if you just go on calculating this, you'll see 20 plus, here you have 25 minus x by 2. Then as per the question, this is going to be equal with, as per the question, this is going to be equal with 20 plus 25 minus x by 2, it is going to be equal to 28.50. So from here if you just calculate this, you'll be getting 25 minus x by 2 is equals to 8.50. So from here you will be getting 17. So 25 minus x it is 17. So from here if you just calculate, you will be getting x equals to 8. X equals to 8. Now plug this value here. So from here you will be getting y is equals to 15 minus 8. So it is 7. So from 1 you will be getting y value. So x value it is 8, y value it is 7. Now they are asking what is mode. What is mode? So mode formula, you already know. What is mode formula? L plus f1 minus f0, 2 into f1 minus f0 minus f2 into c. So f1 means in this case, this is your f1, this is your f1. 25 plus x value, it is 8, 33. So f0 the previous one, 5 plus x, so 13, and f2 means this one, 40 plus x, so 40 plus x means 8, so 48. So f1, f0, f2, all these things you put here. C already you know 10, and L value already you know, that is 20. So plug all these things here in this formula, and finally you'll be getting your answer for mode. Yes. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and that's it for today's lecture. And these are very important for exam point of view or semester exam point of view. And also if you are interested in this mean median mode part, then these questions will be very important for you as well. Okay.